we are going to the orthodontist today, and so I am really excited to be going to the orthodontist today actually, because I have this wire back here. So I don't know if you can see here, this thing here, it's sticking out. Can you see it there? So it's sticking out quite a bit back there, and it's been poking me. And so it's because these have moved, because I have been wearing, I'm not wearing the rubber bands right now, but I have been wearing them because I've been wearing them regularly this time, and they've been moving my teeth like they were supposed to, and then the wire has been poking back there. So I'm going in today for the orthodontist and also the dentist for cleaning. And so they're gonna clean, they take off the wire and clean, and I'm going to ask if I can bring you guys in and record with me. So I work up the courage to do this because I'm nervous recording in front of people, and in the dentist office, but I'm gonna ask and see what happens. I'm doing some weird lighting here now, but yeah, so I'm gonna ask them if we can do that, and whether it's the cleaning or the orthodontist, like the wire, I'm not sure exactly yet. We'll have to wait and see. But I'm gonna ask them, and then at some point they are gonna need to reposition a couple of these brackets. So I don't know if that'll be today. It's this one here, this one, and this one. They're gonna have to be repositioned at some point because this one is only here so that it can pull this tooth forward, which it did already, and then it has to be repositioned so that this tooth can, you know, come in here and they'll line up. And then this one I think has to be repositioned because this tooth is lower. Oh, and sometimes this hits here, so hopefully this will get corrected soon so it stops doing that. And then this one, of course, has to be repositioned because it will, you know, it needs to be turned. It's got that space there and it's going down too far. Don't mind my face, my acne here. I don't have any makeup at all on this morning. I usually don't wear makeup, but sometimes I do put a little bit of like foundation over my red spots, but not this morning because I'm on my way out, and I just like got up and pulled my hair down. It's like, okay, let's go to the orthodontist because it is only 8:30 and my appointment's at 9. And not feeling super morning person-ish this morning, but let's get going. Alright, so here we are, move this, at the orthodontist, and I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna put on my chapstick, and then I'm gonna go in, and I'm probably gonna put my camera in my bag. And actually, I don't know if I'm gonna ask them, I don't know if I'm gonna use this camera or if I'm just gonna use my phone maybe, because it's just less intimidating, I don't know. But I'm putting on my chapstick here because my lips get really dry in there when they're working on my mouth. And then I'm gonna put on, I got plenty of chapstick on here. All right, I'm gonna set you guys right there. So I'm my chapstick, and then oh, I have to put my camera back to go zoom. And then I have my mask. So they had me wear my mask in there just to like in the reception area, and then once I actually get in there, then of course I have to take it off because, you know, I can't work on my mouth with a mask on, but ready to go. Alright, so I'll turn you guys off and turn you guys back on when we get in there. So they did the cleaning, and they're sending me back out. They're gonna, well, they did part of the cleaning. They still have to go in and do more cleaning, but they're actually sending me out back into the waiting room because they, I guess, are really overbooked today. So they're like sending me back out to go back in, and then I have to go back to the orthodontist because you can see they took off the wire, and then I still have to go back to the dentist and then back to the orthodontist and get all of that done. So yeah, and they're gonna do a laser treatment again today because they said that back here getting a little bit puffy and a little bit of gingivitis again. So they're gonna treat that, and then we'll see how it's going. All right, so we are finally done. That was a very long appointment. It is almost noon now. I went in at 9, so I'm there for a long time. They had a lot going on, and I did try to show a little bit more, but I'm going to ask them definitely about recording the removal process, but they were just so busy in there running around everywhere today that I really didn't want to like intrude and impose on their work. I say, like, hey, can I record you working? But I did get a little bit, so you guys can see kind of what it's like in there. And let's see what we've got going on here now. So we got a thicker wire on the top and the bottom. They cleaned my teeth, and you can see, like here, you can see some of the spaces now, because I guess there was actually quite a bit of tartar building up. And I've been working on my gums and really trying to just improve my gum health, but I have gingivitis this time, so I'm gonna go home and going to change out my toothbrush and everything because they did a laser treatment. So they went in, they cleaned everything, and then they went in with the laser and killed all the bacteria that's in there. And then they sent me back over to orthodontist. They put the new wires on. They said that we're seeing a lot of progress here with these teeth in the front especially, and on the bottom, because they were really overcrowded before, but now they're really straightening out, and on the top too. So I'm gonna continue to wear my rubber bands, and I'm gonna put them on when I get home. We're gonna go to my bathroom and get all that set up with my toothbrush and put the rubber bands on, and yeah. So let us head on back, and we will continue this in the bathroom. Alright, we are back, and I'm going to the bathroom here. But first, little Snoopy is waiting in puppy gel over here. Snoopy's let him, because this is where he stays. When I'm not here, he stays in the bathroom, and yeah, he's waiting. He's ready. You ready to come out, Snoop? There he goes. He's pumped up. He's gone. There he comes. Anyway. Okay, Snoopy. He's so excited. So, he's still going at it down there. Alright, so we're gonna go into the bathroom, put the rubber bands on, don't mind my messy bed, I need to make that, left in kind of a rush this morning, and yeah, let's head on in there. So, gonna head on in here and get you guys set up. Actually, so here my toothbrush, and actually I pulled this off because I wanted to make sure that I remembered to change it, because this has, whenever I go in to get the cleanings, I try to change out my toothbrush head. So I just pop it off of my toothbrush here, and so this one I'm gonna throw away because it is dirty. So throw that away. I need to take out Snoopy trash and his pad down here. Let's turn that fan off so you guys can get a little bit better sound. And actually, I just put the microphone back on here because I noticed I didn't have it on, so you guys maybe didn't have the best sound for this video. I apologize. My bad there too. This keep all our stuff up here because Snoopy is a pest. So that up there. Alright, so I'm gonna set you guys down here on the counter, grab my rubber bands here, and let's put them on. Alright, so my orthodontist said continue wearing gorilla rubber bands or Snoopy. He wants to eat the rubber bands actually. I have to be very careful when I take these off when I am eating because he has eaten them a couple of times. So he is okay. He just probably just poops them out and he's fine, but he does tend to eat them. So be very careful about that because I don't want him to have oh, my gums are tender. I don't want him to have a bunch of rubber bands in there. So my gums here, I noticed they're pretty tender actually because they went in to do the laser treatment. They have a little metal tool that they put into my gums, just you know, just a little bit so that they can get it in there, and then they laser it and they go all the way around top and the inside and all of that, and they are tender right now, but hopefully we'll get all of the bacteria and everything cleared away. But rubber bands, they said the same way, the triangle. So I'm gonna start down here and then on the back and up top, and then I'm gonna do the other side. And let's see, get one of these, Snoopy test. All right, and the other side. So start on the bottom, in the front, and then up here. Oh, and if you notice too, I have these in the front, they cross-tied these because they have a lot of pressure on this one, trying to straighten it out. And then actually I had to go, you guys didn't see, I don't think, no, you guys didn't see this, but I had to go back into the orthodontist after I came out into my car because I was looking in the mirror like I usually do to see how everything looks and it's so clean. And I noticed that this rubber band here was only on 3 of the corners and it was across here. So I had to go back into my already long appointment. That was like 3 hours of just mostly wait time, and they fixed that for me. So we are good to go, and Snoopy wants to play. But yeah, we're all good to go. So that is it for this braces update. I honestly don't know how many months it is right now that I've had these on. I think I'm around 19. I'm gonna have to check, but had them on for quite a while. My orthodontist said that things are moving along pretty nicely as far as like straightening out and all of that. I was originally only supposed to have them on for 1.5 years. It's already there, and it's gonna be a while longer. Like, I'll be lucky if I get them off this year, so we will see. So we'll have plenty more braces updates coming for you guys. And yeah, let me know if there is anything in particular that you'd like to know about my braces process or you'd like to see. And yeah, let me know in the comments down below, and I will see you guys back here next time. Bye.